welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to unbox my Goodiebox. It's the box of October. Goodiebox is a subscription where you receive a new box, beauty box, every month. It costs 200 crowns. It's not that expensive. I can put a link below if you want to start this subscription. If you use my link, you will get 50% off your first box, and I will receive goodie points. This is not sponsored, so just to clarify that. If you are interested finding out what's in the box, keep on watching. Goodiebox is a company from Denmark, I think, originally. They just started to deliver to Sweden. So this is the color of the October box, orange. You can take it out and use this as storage. Last month we got this with the flower print, very pretty. So you can save these boxes and use them for whatever you like. So we'll open this and put away that one. And so the theme of this month's box is Dreamland. This is a paper you always get, and inside this you can read about every product. I always read it afterwards. I take up the paper, and now I don't look in the box because I like to take one product at a time without seeing the other one. So I'm just gonna put my hand in this and pick up the first product. So the first product is a lip gloss, light and smooth from Sandstone. 90s vibe. Oh, beautiful. Very pretty color. I think it's glitter in it. It doesn't smell. So just a regular gloss, a bit pink with some glitter, golden glitter. Very pretty. And I think it's a full size. I never heard about the company before, so it will be fun to test. And the name of this color is 90s Vibe. Product number 2, a hair towel. Premium microfiber, super soft and lightweight hair towel, Moshi Moshi Mind. What? Should I open this? Oh, it's... What is this? It looks very expensive, I must say, with this little brand tag. I love the color. Product number 3, Mask Me Up Foot Peeling Mask. Removes dead skin cells. Only 30 minutes treatment, comfortable foot mask socks. 8 till 10 days peeling process for silky, soft and smooth feet for all skin types. I have actually never tested a mask for your feet, so that will be really fun actually. It feels thick, interesting. Product number 4 is a concealer. Okay, it's a concealer. A brightening concealer from Claire in the shade 2, natural. Very different kind of applicator. It's like a brush, I think. We read about this also after. The last product is a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. This looks expensive also. It's vegan, cruelty-free and 98% natural. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening. This is also a new brand for me, so let's read about all the products on this little paper. It looks like this. You see pictures of every product and then a description of them. So number 1, Dr. Botanicals It's a full size. It's a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. It retails for 116 crowns, about $10. Clean and then dry your face. After that, you apply this mask, and the next day you clean your skin as usual, and then your skin is rehydrated and smooth like baby skin. Okay, and it's a full size, so very fun to test. Number 2, a foot peeling mask. It retails for 140 Swedish crowns. That's around $12-13. That's very expensive for a foot mask, I think. Your foot needs a little extra attention, and they can be reborn with this product. Applicate the foot mask and let it on for 30 minutes to start the peeling process. See the end result after 8 to 10 days. Number 3 was the lip gloss. It retails for 180 Swedish crowns, $16. It's the full size. Sharp your lips with this 90s vibe lip gloss. The last can save you when you miss the extra something. Number 4 is the hair towel. It's also a full size. It retails for 215 Swedish crowns. That's around $20. Wet hair in the bed may not be the best thing in the world, but we got you. Moshi Minds hair towel. Guarantee an effective and a soft drying of the hair. I will definitely try this. It sounds very interesting. The last product, also a full size. So we have 5 full size products in this box. That's pretty amazing. This is Clear Brightening Concealer. It retails for 139 Swedish crowns, around $12. Clear Brightening Concealer from Peace helps to cover dark bags under your eyes. It also contains vitamins like A, C, and D panthenol. It helps to strengthen the skin around the eyes. So actually they say it's a good coverage if it's going to cover your bags. We'll see about that. I will test it out also. Not that expensive for a concealer actually. I don't know if that's a bad or a good sign. It's a big variety of products, and that's so fun also to get so many full-size products. So that's what I like a lot with this box, and that it comes in different colors and prints, so everyone can be happy. You can put it around in the house and put things in it, and yeah, I love it. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to use my link. I will, as I said, write it in the description. And yes, I get points if you use my link, but it's not sponsored. And if you use the link, you will get 50% off your first box. So that's awesome. Yeah, that was all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want notifications every time I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye!